What's up guys, so in front of me are three different chargers from Ugreen. So for example, this is a charger made by Ugreen. It is 65-watt GaN charger. It has three USB ports and one USB-A port. Output up to 65 watt from this port, or if you use all of them, then that wattage is divided. You can go a bit more efficient with this Ugreen charger. This is also 65 watt and this is more efficient than this one, but this one has two USB ports. If you use just one, you can output 65, otherwise it is divided between the two. Lastly, if you are looking for a cheaper options, this is another charger, just 20-watt output. Let me ask you something, aren't you a little tired of using these chargers? These are very conventional chargers. So let me show you. This is another option, like you can buy chargers like this. So this is also made by Ugreen, a cyberpunk style robot style charger, 30-watt fast charger. It uses the GaN tech, so it is more efficient and faster, and it is also smaller. So let's check it out. It comes well packed. This is its size. It's very lightweight as well, so lighter than, for example, this one. Looks really cute. You can put it in your collection of other toys, cyberpunk style or robot toys. It will not even look like a charger. Full on robot cyberpunk charger. You have the headphone on top of it, you have the screen, you have its legs, and on the top you have this USB port. It is a 30-watt charger. You can see written it right here, and it is a GaN charger. That's why it is very small and very lightweight as well. If you want to find out its sockets, they are hidden underneath it, so if you undress it, then you should be able to find its legs that you need to put into sockets and charge it. It is smaller, lighter, very different than these unique chargers, and looks really cute. Would really fit in with your existing collection as well. It is GaN 30-watt fast charger. Charge your iPhone, Android phone, your Kindle OSs, or whatever you would like, and once you're done charging it, just put it back like normal and it will be sitting like this. I think there are higher wattages available in this form as well, so if you need more than 65 watt, I think you should be able to find it. I will leave the link to buy this one in my video description, and let me know what you think of it. Personally, I really liked it, and I hope you guys like it too. Take great care of yourself. Bye.